Hello everyone, I'm Shamanth, the CSAT faculty at InsightsIAS. I welcome you to one more question of the day 3. Today's question is, what is the angle between minute hand to hour hand at 8:25 in an analog clock? In an analog clock means it's a O clock. Why the name O clock? Because of its shape here. Okay, O clock means analog clock. And the topic from which I am picking this question is clocks. Before going to solve this question, know some of the facts about the clocks here. Both hands, that is minute hand as well as the hour hand, will be coincidenting or else makes an angle of 0 degree. Coincidenting means overlapping. It can be also said as overlapping, one above the other. In 12 hours, it will be 11 times. Okay, 11 times. Look here now. Every hour, both hands will be coincidenting. But, okay, there is a condition here. But between 11 and 1, between 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock, they will be coincidenting only one time. That means, in these 2 hours, it will be coincidenting at only one time, and that time will be exactly 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. So, if the question is between 11 and 12, between 11 and 12 means, see, know this keyword, between. From is different, between is different. Between 11 and 12 means except 11, except 12. How many times they will make an angle of 0 degree? Means, what is the answer would be? 0 here. Okay, they never coincidence. Now, if the question is between 12 and 1, if the question is between 12 and 1, how many times both hands will be overlapping or makes an angle of 0 degree? Means the same answer, that is 0 time. But if the question is between 11 and 1, how many times? 1 time. In 12 hours, it is 11 times. Okay. Second fact, to be at right angle means 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. For example, when the time is exactly 3 o'clock. Okay, 3 o'clock makes an angle of 90 degree. See, every hour, both hands will make an angle of 90 degree 2 times. Okay, every hour 2 times. But in 12 hours, it was supposed to be 24. We are getting 22 because between 8 o'clock and 10 o'clock, between 8 o'clock and 10 o'clock, it was supposed to make an angle of 90 degree 4 times. But they will make only 3 times. Okay, note this point here. Okay, between 8 to 10, only 3 times. Hence, in 12 hours, 22 times. Okay, next fact. To be in opposite direction. Opposite direction means, for example, when the time is exactly 6 o'clock. Okay, exactly 6 o'clock. Both hands will be in opposite direction, diagonally opposite direction, or else which makes an angle of 180 degree. And this 180 degree is also called straight angle. Okay, straight angle. Know the name of the angle? Straight angle here. Okay, they'll make an angle of 180 degree. How many times in 12 hours? It is 11 times. Okay, 11 times. Here also there is an exception or a condition, that is between 5 to 7. Okay, they makes an angle of 180 degree only one time. Every hour they'll make an angle of 180 degree, but between 5 to 7 in these 2 hours, only one time. At what time? At 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock. So, if the question is between 5 to 6, how many times they makes an angle of 180 degree? They makes an angle of 180 degree 0 times. Between 6 to 7 also 0 times. They never makes an angle of 180 degree. So, between 5 to 7, they make an angle of 180 degree only at 6 o'clock exactly. Okay. Next fact. To be in a straight line. See, know this one. Very important. Straight line is different. Straight angle is different. Okay. Straight line means which includes 0 degree as well as 180 degree. See, 0 degree as well as 180 degree are called straight line. Okay. They are in straight line. How many times? 11 times, 11 times. So, totally 22 times. Before solving the question, know some more facts here. This is an analog clock, or else we can call this as a O clock. This angle will be here, complete angle, 360 degree. 360 degree. Okay, this 360-degree angle is converted into 12 parts here from 1 to 12. Okay, 360 degrees is being converted into 12 parts here. If 12 parts is 360 degree, one part is nothing but 30 degrees, isn't it? 30 degrees means from here to here, the angle made is 30 degree. From here to here, it is 30 degree. From here to here, it is 30 degree and so on. Okay. Now, the minute hand. Minute hand, in 60 minutes, it will travel 360 degrees. Means, if the minute hand will be at 12, okay, now it is at 12. After 1 hour or at 60 minutes, it will travel this much and it will be at the same point, isn't it or not? Okay, so it is completing how many degrees here? 360 degrees. In how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 60 minutes, 360 degree means 6 minutes, 36 degrees. Okay, so in 1 minute, it travels 6 degrees. Okay, minute hand travels, know the fact. In 1 minute, it travels 6 degrees. Similarly, hour hand. Okay, hour hand. In 60 minutes, this hour hand travels. Look here. Let's say, for example, the hour hand will be at 7 here. It is at 7. After 1 hour, okay, if you come back after 1 hour, it will be at somewhere here, right? Isn't it or not? Okay. So, how much it has moved here? Only one part. So, this one part is nothing but how many degrees here? 30 degrees. So, in 60 minutes, hour hand moves how many degrees? 30 degrees. In 60 minutes, if it moves 30 degrees, in 1 minute, it moves 30 by 60, that is nothing but 1 by 2, that is equal to half a degrees. Okay, minute hand moves in 1 minute 6 degrees, hour hand moves in 1 minute half a degree. So, if they are coinciding at this point, if they are overlapping at this point, okay, in 1 minute, minute hand moves 6 degrees and hour hand also will be moving, but how much? Only half a degree. After 1 minute, if you see, the minute hand will overtake hour hand by how many degrees? 5.5 degrees. So, we can say, note a point, minute hand take a lead of 5.5 degrees over hour hand in 1 minute. Okay, minute hand leads hour hand in 1 minute how many degrees? 5.5 degrees. Okay, know this fact. Moving on to the question now. Coming back to this question. Now, how to solve this question? Okay, what is the angle between minute hand to hour hand at 8:25? He is asking for the angle between minute hand to hour hand when the time is 8:25. Okay. See, what is this angle here now? You are familiar now. What is this angle? 30 degrees. What is this angle? 30 degrees. What is this angle? It's 30 degrees. Isn't it? But the angle between these two hands is not 90 degree. Since this hand has moved this much here. Okay. If this was the question, if the hand was somewhere here, we could have easily said that's 90 degree. But it's not here 90 degree, isn't it? So, we have to find how much angle it has moved here. So, how to find out? Look here now. Let's say now the time is 8 o'clock. Means the minute hand will be at 12. Now, it is 8:25 means the minute hand has travelled for how many minutes here? From here to here? 25 minutes, isn't it? The minute hand has travelled from here to here? 25 minutes. In the same time, when at 8 o'clock, the hour hand will be here exactly at 8. Okay, and at 8:25, the hour hand is at here means hour hand also has travelled in 25 minutes, this much, right? So, the time taken to travel for minute hand from here to here, in the same time, the hour hand has travelled from here to here, isn't it? So, hour hand has travelled from here to here in how many minutes? 25 minutes. So, hour hand, we know that in 1 minute, it travels half a degrees. And it has travelled for how long here? 25 minutes. In 25 minutes, it will travel how much? 25 into half a degrees, that is 12.5 degrees. So, what is this angle here? 12.5 degrees. So the answer is 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, and this angle is 12.5 degrees. Total it is 102.5 degrees. Okay, or else look here. I'll show you one shortcut how to find this one. Or else look here now. Take this R here, 8. Okay, 8. Multiply this by 30. Okay. Take this minutes now, 25 minutes, 25. Multiply this by 11 by 2. Okay, 11 by 2. 8 into 30 is 240. 25 into 11 by 2 is 137.5. Okay, if you subtract these two, you know how much you will be getting? 102.5 degrees. Okay, that's nothing but our answer. Know this trick, guys. What to do? R into 30 and minute into 11 by 2 and subtract these two to get the answer. And one more fact here. See, what is the angle between minute hand to hour hand? Means this angle he is asking. If the question is, what is the angle between hour and 2 minute hand? Hour and 2 minute hand means this is the hour hand, 2 minute hand. This is the angle he will be expecting. Okay. So if this angle is 102.5 degrees. So this angle is nothing but what? 360 degree minus 102.5 degrees. So the answer would be 257.5 degrees. Alright guys, time to see the bouncer of yesterday. That is yesterday's homework question. The question is find the unit digit of the following. The topic is number system and the concept is unit digits here. Okay. The question is 1 factorial, this is 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial, 5, 6 up to 100 factorial sum. What is the unit digit you are getting? Okay. Very simple question. Look here now. See, 1 factorial is equal to 1, right? 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 6. 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24. Okay. 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into, I can easily write this as 4 factorial. So this becomes 120. Okay. 120. See, once you get 0 at the end, if you multiply anything, for example, 6 factorial. What do you mean by 6 factorial? How much? 6 factorial is nothing but 6 into 5 factorial I can write. This is equal to 720. Similarly, 7 factorial is equal to 7 into 6 factorial I can write. This is equal to 5040. Once I get 0 here at the end, if you multiply to any number, again the unit digit will be 0, 0, 0, 0. When you try to add all those things, okay, look here. When you try to add all those things, you will start the addition with the unit digits, right? So this is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 4 is 13 and everything is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So the unit digit becomes what? 3 here and carry or whatever. But what we are concerned about? Unit digit. So the answer is what? 3 here. This is your bouncer of the day. Solve this question and put the answers in the comment section, guys. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.